Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to place a trade on Quantower. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing what we need to do is open up the Quantower trading platform. Now once you're inside of here, we need to connect up. So click on one of these options. So this one, we can use DX feed, and now we can search connections. So we can scroll down, we can connect to Binance Spot if you like, Bitfinex, CTS, Coinbase, etc. So choose which one. So if I want to connect to Coinbase Pro, I'm going to click on Coinbase Pro, and now I'm going to click connect, and that's going to connect me up. Now once we've done that, we want to open up a chart. So I'll just exit out of this. Now click onto the logo here and open up chart. So when it says analytics, click onto chart, and you're going to see a chart like so. Now we want to go ahead and trade. So on the top left here, there's a lot of different options we can use to trade. So choose which one of these you'd like to use. I'm just going to keep it on this one. Now we need to click onto, on the top right hand corner of this thing, we can place a quick trade. So we got buy and sell here. And also if we click onto show hide quick trading toolbar, we've got the toolbar here where we can place a quick trade as well. So if we want to go ahead and place a market order trade here, so click on buy, and I'll say buy market for account USD, click onto yes. And then you see that market order is filled. Now this works exactly the same if you want to sell. So you can click onto the sell here as well. So click sell. Now that's going to sell. Now on the right hand side, we've got more options. We can choose the quantity. We can reduce only. We can use a simple or multi. No SL, no TP. We can buy ask, bid, market, and sell ask, bid, market as well.